So this is lesson 4 on the ever-changing Earth, year 10, maintaining the balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide, pages 20 to 24. Now you've got the bottom diagram. If I just show you the top diagram, how is the balance of carbon dioxide and oxygen maintained? You can see you've got a person there, you've got a tree there. Very, very simply, the person respires and produces carbon dioxide but has to take in oxygen, whereas the plant or the tree photosynthesizes, releases oxygen and takes carbon dioxide in. So can you explain the diagram in your book? Then I want you to watch the video on bicarbonate indicator colour change and limestone and acid 2. So blow carefully into a test tube half full of red bicarbonate indicator and what happens and why. So watch those 2 videos. They're on Moodle. And now I want you to think about this. How is the balance of carbon dioxide and oxygen maintained? It's been the same for millions of years. We've got a wood lice, you could have a worm in there, you could have a snail in a boiling tube, and you've got a delivery tube going into red bicarbonate indicator here. In this tube B, you've got yellow bicarbonate indicator, so I've done something to turn that yellow. Think about how I've changed that yellow, and I've put some pondweed in there, and all that is a plant that lives in water. And this one is the same as B, but the only difference, look, is I've covered it entirely in foil that you wrap your sandwiches with. So the entire, including the stopper, look, is covered in foil. So set up the following and leave for 24 hours. Predict what you think will happen and why. So what do you think is going to happen to those tubes? And think about what colour changes are going to occur and why. So that is your initial setup. So it's exactly the same as the previous slide. Think about the processes occurring in each boiling tube. And what will the pondweed do in the light, and what process keeps the wood lice alive. So think about all those processes. And then after 24 hours, look at what's happened. So think about, why is the bicarbonate indicator in tube A changed? Why is the bicarbonate indicator in tube B changed? And why has the bicarbonate indicator in tube C stayed the same colour? Complete these blanks using the results from the previous slide, and then I want you to watch the video on pondweed photosynthesis. So what we've got is a lamp, we've got a boiling tube, we've got some pondweed and water, and there's bubbles there, look. So watch that video, pondweed photosynthesis, and then the bottom one, watch video on testing for oxygen gas. And you can see that set up. We've got pondweed, we've got bubbles going up, we've got the gas displacing the water there, and we've got light. So answer your both questions in your booklet, please, after you've watched the videos.